you see this is the buttons that could not coming out. Okay, I press it out and I push it back, it's still jammed. So this is a video I took weeks ago, and I got this new tablet, Wacom Pen. I think it's old version because they're still using USB-C, and the button sucks. It always jam inside. You know, when you're doing drawing or sculpting, it always stuck inside. It's very annoying because the button should be the middle click, and I always need to use it, and it's easy to get stuck. Somehow, like no matter like few times later, it will jam. So I open it up just with some force to pull it up. Actually, you can pull out. And you may say, oh, you voiding your warranty, because I can't find any warranties nearby me, and I maybe need to take an hour to try, especially arrangement go there to find the customer service, redo the claim, and then a lot of things. In Malaysia, claim thing is not easy. I do a quick smooth on this part, which is using a very high smooth sandpaper, and at the back. And I realized when I'm doing this, I realized there is a tips coming out from for the back. You see now it should be flat. I didn't take the video before that, sorry. But I cleaned it up. I realized there is an extra plastic on the below. I believe there's a pin, that extra tip. After doing this, I put it back. So funny thing is, of course after I put it back, just push in, and then I realized the button worked smoothly, and I tried it for days. Okay, all these videos is actually like a few days ago. Now I'm using this pen with the new menu sanding and repair buttons. It's still good, and it works smoothly. I don't know, maybe this is a part of the manufacturing quality control issue or whatever, but there's a buttons. I save my time. I hope if you found the same problem, this video can save your time as well. Don't worry, just take it out. But I still have to say this, do at your own risk, because I'm not going to pay for you if you really broken out the buttons. Okay, but I do 3D printings. I don't worry to take it out, because I know myself can print it up another new one. Since I'm actually 3D printing supplier, so I'm going to reprint the button if I need to. But seem like the fix is good, so I think this can help a lot of people. So that's why this video is here. I'm Bruce. Welcome to my channel. So I'm doing. I have nothing to say. I don't want to waste your time. Okay, that's it. If you think this video helped you, give me a thumb up. Let me know if this helped, because I can't see anyone talking about how to fix this thing, and I don't see anyone doing the fixing as well. They just keep talking about like button on software. It's not the hardware issue, but this is, maybe I'm so unlucky to face it, the quality issue on the manufacturing. I hope I'm the only one, but in case you are the other ones, I hope this video helped you. Okay, the video finished here. Thank you, and see you again.